the look. Oh, it's a hot day.
No, it's
Mm.
us. No, it's us. And we're live on the 201 Deadside server. We got Carpintero with us. It's a beautiful morning. We're gonna go for a morning swim. Good morning, Carpintero. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, good morning.
Let's go.
Yeah, and you?
Oh, what a beautiful day it is. The water looks so nice. Very nice.
Oh, let's go.
Let's jump into the water. Yee-hoo. Wait. Oh, wow. That was pretty good. Let me try that.
Yeah, it's so good. Water is so good, man.
That would be nice to have a house like this by a lake like that, man. Oh, would that be nice. Imagine that. Well, yeah, well, you can. You live in Portugal, right? But not near the beach. Okay, ready? 3.1 jump. Whoa! You know, there's two types of swimming. Like, you can press control and he swims like this. You see? And if you press V, then he swims fast, you know? They look like two frogs, like two heads.
Now I go put this here.
Look at this, I'm gonna jump through here. Let's see if I can do it. No, I couldn't. Getting naked?
Yeah.
Because we're going skinny dipping. I was thinking about putting like a roof on that or not, you know, or maybe make this one higher. But like I think like if you keep it simple, it looks better, you know.
Yeah.
No, it's cool like when you're swimming and you free look, you know, you go under the water. Let's just watch him from underneath. How he swims.
Oh, look, a fish.
Oh no! I hope they add sharks or something to the water, you know, that'd be cool. If you go out too far, a shark comes and bites you. Also, you should be able to knife fight in the water, you know what I mean? Damn.
Yeah.
Almost hit me.
Yeah, no.
Dude, this Bosco guy is like a total noob. Like, I threw him a stalker there with money in it and everything, and he didn't take it. Well, that concludes our morning swim.